Hi everybody, I'm Martin from CloudBlue Connect, and today I show you another example of how we integrate Connect with a third-party platform using Zapier. In this video, we will see how made a Zap that when an event occurs in Connect, it sends an email with the description of this event. For this demo, we want to, when a new purchase request is created, receive an email with the details of the purchase request, the asset ID, the quantity, and the customer name. This demo will require the provider credentials of CloudBlue Connect. Let's create the integration. Once you are logged into Zapier, go to the Zap menu, Create Zap. Choose the CloudBlue Connect application and trigger event New Asset Request. Then you must choose your account. In this step, we will set a new account to connect CloudBlue Connect with the Zapier application. Open the drop-down menu and select New Account. This opens a new tab in your browser asking for authorization token. This token is provided by CloudBlue Connect. Open the provider portal in the new tab and select the extensions menu. Go to Tokens, Create Token, put the label that identifies this token, and select Zapier integration in the drop-down menu. Once the token is generated, use the copy option. Please don't use Ctrl+C to copy the token. Now the token is into the clipboard. Go to Zapier, paste the token, and select Continue. Now, the application is connected with the CloudBlue Connect platform. You can see that in Connect, the token is active. Select Test and Continue. Now we will set the Gmail application. Select the app Gmail and the action Send Email. Select the Gmail account and customize the email with the data to send. Put the name to the Zap and turn on. Now let's test the Zap. Go to Products, select Products and Preview. With this action, we simulate a purchase request. Follow the steps of the process. Now go to the Zapier platform and run the Zap. This process is automatic, but to make this demo more dynamic, we run manually. If we go to the email platform, we will see the mail with the data corresponding of the purchase request. Thank you very much. We will see in the next integration.